are we? To be honest, I don't know. But we're somewhere. Wait a minute. This is the Saw room. Saw? Wait, you mean Jigsaw? Yeah. What does he do? He makes you solve puzzles that you don't want to solve, even though it's your own will.
Hello, you must be the Mario Brothers.
Yeah?
Do you want to play a game?
A foosball? Foosball? Really?
I'm just joking. One of you has a key inside you. One of you will have to make a difficult decision.
A difficult decision. Right. I got it. Hold on. I got this weird thing. Wait a minute! Why did you knock me out using chloroform? A difficult decision had to be made, and I made it. Yeah, but did you really have to do that? I don't even know why. We beat you at your own game!
Congratulations. You're free to go. Unless you want to put on the lollipop hat.
What's a lollipop hat? Oh, I bet it's something weird.
The lollipop hat is a weird cube thing that are left on the floor.
Oh, cool. I have a bad feeling about this. Is that a lollipop hat? I think so. Wait, how does this thing work again?
The lollipop hat will get smaller and smaller. Unless you want to use the key to unlock it.
Yeah, I'm not sure about that. And where's the key? You rotten, no good son of a...
The key to the lollipop hat is in that black dinosaur thingy.
What? Black Yoshi? Yeah. How did you get here? That weird puppet dude got me. Oh. Right. Luigi, just sit here. Okay. Wait, the lollipop hat just came off instantly? Yeah. I think it was just an accessory. Wait, so that key is not in Black Yoshi at all? It's just a latch thingy? Yeah? I know. I know how to fix this. Black Yoshi, could you take care of that jigsaw thingy? Oh, yeah, sure.
Watch this. Well, that's over. Whoa! Whoa. Luigi, what is it? Look, I had this dream that we were in the Saw room, and we solved 2 puzzles, and Black Yoshi took out Jigsaw's head. You know Jigsaw doesn't exist. Yeah. Good thing it was all a dream. Or was it? Whoa. We can't take this. I can't take this Mr. L thingy anymore. It's getting a little creepy. Yeah, I can basically agree, folk. Yeah. Good thing it was a dream still.